Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to upload Reels from PC. So this is a very easy tutorial. First you just have to log in your Instagram and then click this create right here and select a video from your computer. So beauty posts are now Reels, you have to click OK. Then here you can simply crop everything. All you have to do is to click next and then select the part where you want to trim the video. For example, this one right here. So you can select this part if you want this to set as real. Then tap next, and then after that you can now add some captions, add location, accessibility, advanced settings. So let's just say this is the caption of my reels, and what I'm going to do next is to click share. As easy as that. So you have to make sure that the video is set to 60 seconds for your reels because there is a time limit for reels. So I suggest that you have cropped or edit this one first before doing it on Instagram. Okay, so after that, what you're going to do is to click next. You can also click this sound on or off. Everything is up to you. And that's it. So if you have found this video helpful or if you want to suggest something, please do comment down below and please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.